Guys, what is up, and welcome to my channel. This is Radco Academy, and my name is Mike. So in this video we are going to answer paper 2 mathematics on question 10 from 2015. This is a grade 12 internal. So if you're watching me for the first time, make sure that you do subscribe for more information so that you don't miss any single update once we do post. Okay, so now the question is about trigonometry. So there's a bunch of videos that I've produced on trigonometry. Make sure that you check them out. Okay, so without much further ado, let's now dive into this question. Okay, so this is on question 10. We're saying in Votani constituents A, B, and C are polling stations as shown on the diagram. So this is a diagram. Okay. So now what we have now is a question that is on trigonometry. Okay, so calculate angle BAC. Now for us to calculate angle BAC, looking at this is a non-right angle triangle, and in this case what you're supposed to do is you have to use the cosine rule, okay? Where you're given all the three sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to represent the angle in terms of their opposite. So the opposite of this side, I'll assign it a small letter A. The opposite of angle B, this side, I'll assign it small b. The opposite of angle C, I'll assign it a small letter C. So this is to help us understand properly and just make the formula look so good. So according to the cosine rule, when you're given all the three sides, so what you're supposed to do is since you are calculating angle A, so this is the angle that you're looking for, but therefore we start with each side as a subjective formula. So this is going to be A squared equal to A squared equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2, then B, C, then cos. Now the cos C is this A, okay. So now we can start replacing the small letter A as got 7, and then you square it, equals small letter B, it has got 43, then you square it, then small letter C has got 43 as well, minus 2, open the bracket, again 43 multiplied by 43. Okay, of course this would be that. So now what's going to happen is and then multiplied by cos A, so that's what you're looking for. Okay. So when you multiply or when you square that, B squared, you're going to get here 1369 is equal to then 3 squared is 1849 plus the same number, this minus 2. Okay, so this can be multiplied together, so we are going to get 3, 6, 9, 8 cos A. So from there now, you're going to add these two. So this is going to give us 3, 6, 9, 8 minus 3, 6, 9, 8 cos A, okay, and this will bring down this. Then you are going to collect the right term. This number will go this side, so you have 3, 6, 9 minus 3, 6, 9, 8 equals to negative 3. So remain with negative this of cos A. And from there, once you subtract now, you're going to have you're going to divide both sides by negative 3, 6, 9, 8. Then also negative 3, 6, 9, 8. So this goes, okay? So from there now, you're going to get negative, so we're going to get negative 2, 3, 2, 9, divide by negative 3, 6, 9, 8 equals to cos A. So from there, once we divide that, we are going to get something like positive 0.63, okay? So going to be cos A. Okay, so this number is rounded off. You're going to have 0.629 7989 equals to cos A. Now, for the sake of simplicity, I can take this number to 2 decimal place. That's 0.63 equals cos A. Okay. And then now we find the inverse of this. So cos inverse of 0.63 will give us angle A. So once you get that, you're going to have 50.9 degrees equals to angle A. Okay, so that's our answer on A. So this carries 5 marks. Okay. Okay, so question 2, find angle ACB. So angle ACB meaning the angle on C there. Okay. So what you're supposed to do is we are going to be able to use finding this angle. So we are going to use the sine rule. Okay. So just to help us understand what you're looking at, this is just this is C, this is A, this is B. So this part we have found it to be 50.9, and this is 43 kilometers, 43. This is 37. So now we are looking for this angle. So for us to find that angle, all you have to do is simply use the sine rule. So meaning you are looking for this part, you're going to say sine C over the small, meaning the opposite of that, equals to the other complete side, sine A divided by small a. And then we know that we're looking for angle C, so sine C will remain the way it is over 4, 3 equals sine A, which we have, which is 50.9 over A, so this is 37. Then from there now we can cross multiply, so we have 43 multiplied by sine 50.9, okay, equals to sine C multiplied by 37. So from there we are looking for C, sine C, we can divide both sides by 37, both sides by 37. Then from there now we have this, and this goes. So this part is going to give us something like it's going to give us something like 0.90189, then equal to sine C. So finding the inverse of this, so sine inverse of 0.9018, this equals to angle C. So therefore, this will give us 64.4 degrees equals to angle C. So therefore, angle C is simply 64.4 degrees. So this is the answer on B, Roman numeral 2. And then now moving on. So the question number 3 is saying the area of triangle ABC correct to 1 decimal place. So when you are finding the area, first of all, in this case, the angle that you are going to use is angle B. So we can simply find angle B by just saying angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. So we know that A is 50.9 plus B is what you are looking for, plus C is 64.4 equals to 180. Then from there, we know that angle B equals to 180 minus, then this 50.9 plus 4.9, so we can just take them to the other side, but then we put them in brackets so that we add them. Then angle B will now be equal to 180 minus, I think that will give us something like 115.3, and this is going to be angle B will come out as 64.7 degrees. Okay, now after we do that, now we can simply find the angle, the area. So therefore the area is going to be So the area is going to be 1/2 multiplied by, so since we are taking this angle, so the side is going to be this one and this one. So we are going to say times AB multiplied by BC, then times sine B. So therefore, our area is going to be, our AB is 43 kilometers multiplied by our BC, 37 kilometers multiplied by sine, this one, 64.7. And this is going to be, once you punch everything, so the way you punch is start with this one, times sine this one, then finally you say divide by 2. So the answer you're going to get is 719 kilometers squared. Okay. Then the other question is now question 4, the shortest distance from C to AB. The shortest distance. So what they mean, shortest distance from C to AB, you have to cut somewhere here, okay? You cut there, and this is going to form a right angle triangle. And now what you have done is, once you do this, this is a right angle triangle, okay, that you can use, or even the other side. But what you're going to do, so we are going to say this is the shortest distance. They are looking for the H. And therefore, you're going to say the area 1 equals to the area 2. Now, area 1 is this one that we have calculated, and area 2 is the area of the right angle triangle, which is area of the right angle triangle is half BH times just half BH. Okay, so from there, now we can say that the area 1, you can just replace this 719 equals to half multiplied by the base B is this whole part, so it's 43 multiplied by the height. So the height is what you're looking for as the shortest distance. So from there, it's going to be just 719 equals to 1 times 43 times h, just b, 43h, then divide by 2. Then we know that we can divide, okay, meaning 43 meaning 43 divided by, I think because of light, okay, so 43 divided by 2, we get, this is 21.5, then this is 719. So then you divide both sides by this, so this goes. So therefore, our h is just going to be 719 divided by 21.5. So you're going to get 33.4 kilometers. Okay. So therefore, shortest distance is that. Okay, so that's how you can go about that. And let's now move on to the last question now. So the last question, which is B, solve the equation that is given. So this equation is 3 open bracket t minus 5 minus 2 equals -1 plus t. So now you can now open the bracket by saying 3 times t, 3t minus this times -5, -15 minus 2 equals -1 plus this. And this one is, can correct the right terms now, 3t, and this one comes this side, minus t equals, on our right, after the equal sign you have -1, then -15 come this side, and -2 come this side, so there will be plus 15 plus 2. So this is a 3t minus t, this is just 2t, equals, so 15 plus 2, 16, minus 1, 15 plus 2 is 17, minus 1, 16. So you divide both sides by 2. So this one is going to just be 8. So this is the answer for that question B. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys. Let's keep on sharing, subscribe, liking our video. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Thank you so much.